This week we are going to continue with the AR dunning system in SYSPRO, and we're going to show you how to set a dunning status and more. This tutorial will include the following: linking historical invoices to a dunning group, updating invoices to reflect the same dunning group as the customer, adding a dunning status, and lastly, maintaining a dunning status. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be taking a look at part 2 of the AR dunning system in SYSPRO. So let's get started. I'm going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then I'm going to go to Setup, and I'm going to look for AR dunning group for invoices. I'm going to maximize my screen. And on customer selection, we're going to select range because we are choosing a range of customers, and we're going to select from which customers are we selecting. So I'm going to enter the customer code, to which customer are we selecting, and I'm going to enter the customer code. And I'm going to then click on Start Processing. As you can see, from the range of 3 to the range of customer code 10, these are the customers with invoices. So here we have customer 6, and these are the invoices, and here we have customer 8 as well as their invoices. And then it's communicating to us that the process is complete, so we're going to close this program. And that is how you link historical invoices to a dunning group. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable, then we're going to go to Setup, and again we're going to look for AR dunning group for invoices. Okay, and I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, this time we're going to choose a single customer on the customer selection. So that's what we're going to select, and we're going to enter our customer code, then we're going to tap off, and we're going to click on Start Processing. Okay, processing complete, and this is our customer, and here are the invoices, and we're going to close this program. And that is how you update invoices to reflect the same dunning group as the customer. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed to our channel, so we are going to give you a chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable. Then we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to look for AR dunning statuses. I'm just going to maximize my screen. As you can see, the dunning status maintenance window is open. So on dunning group, we're going to enter the dunning group code. Then we're going to tap off, and then on dunning status we're now going to add a status. So we're going to add 15, and then we're going to tap off. We're going to now add the description for the status, which is going to be 15-day reminder for invoice payment. Okay, perfect. Then on message, we're going to enter the message that we want to give to the customer. This is a friendly reminder that your invoice will be due in 15 days. Okay, perfect. So on invoice selection, we're going to make sure that invoice date is selected. Okay, then we're going to come to number of days and enter our number of days, which is 15. We're going to enter the minimum balance, which is 250. We're going to then tap off to select our document format. We're going to click on the magnifying glass, and we're going to highlight one and we're going to click on select. Then we're going to click on the save icon to save our work. Then we're going to close this program, and that is how you add a dunning status. We're going to start by going to Accounts Receivable. Then we're going to go to Setup and we're going to look for AR Dunning Group statuses. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On Dunning Group, we're going to enter the Dunning Group code. Then we're going to tap off and we're going to enter now the Dunning Group code status. Then we're going to tap off, and where it says 20-day reminder, we're going to change that to 30-day reminder. Okay, let's just tap off again. I want to add a space there. Then we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to close the program, and that is how you maintain a dunning status. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.